NCERT Class 10 Mathematics Algebra Chapter 3 Pair of Linear Equations. Linear equation, it represents a straight line. Types of linear equations: one variable such that x plus 3 is equal to 0 implies that x is equal to minus 3. Now we see the view of this equation on graph. Here x is equal to minus 3. So the line passes in this way, which would be parallel to y-axis. Y minus 6 is equal to 0 implies that y is equal to 6. So look at this point, y is equal to 6. Now the line passed through y is equal to 6. So this is also parallel to x-axis. It shows that one variable linear equations represent a line parallel to an axis. If it is in term of x, the line is parallel to y-axis, and if it is in term of y, the line is parallel to x-axis. In other words, it intersects only one of the axes. Now let us see the two variable linear equations. Because x plus y is equal to 6, there are two variables x and y. Therefore, y is equal to 6 minus x. We are transferring x to other sides. If x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 6 minus 0 implies y is equal to 6. If x is equal to 3, then y is equal to 6 minus 3 implies y is equal to 3. If x is equal to 6, then y is equal to 6 minus 6 implies y is equal to 0. Now we plot these points on this graph. So we have got the coordinates 0, 6, 3, 3 and 6, 0. Now we plotting these points. It is 0, 6. It is 3, 3, and finally we got 6, 0. Now we meet these all points, we draw a line, we get this line. This line represents the equation x plus y is equal to 6. It shows that two variables linear equation represent a transversal line. In other words, it intersects both the axes. Now, we study about the system of simultaneous linear equation. The pair of two linear equations of two variables is called a system. Types of systems: transversal system, parallel system, and coincide system. Let us see the transversal system. When both lines intersect each other, the system is called transversal system. There are two lines L1 and L2 such that L1 is A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0 and L2 is A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. So this is the line L1 and this is the line L2, and both are intersecting on a unique point. So it provides unique solution or one and only one solution. Algebraically, we can also determine the system. If the ratio of coefficients of x is not equal to the ratio of coefficients of y, in this manner, a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, then it represents a transversal system. Now let us see the parallel system. When both lines do not intersect each other or both are parallel to each other, the system is called parallel system. Let there are two lines L1 and L2 such that L1 is A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0 and L2 is A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. So it is our L1 line and this is our L2 line. Both are parallel to each other here. It provides no solution. Algebraically, we can also determine the system if the ratio of coefficients of x is equal to the ratio of coefficients of y but not equal to the ratio of constants. In this manner, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. Now let us see the coincide system. When both lines overlap each other, the system is called coincide system. Let there are two lines L1 and L2 such that L1 is A1x plus V1y plus C1 is equal to 0 and L2 is A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. So it is our L1 line and another line is overlapping on it. So it is our L2 line. It provides many solutions or infinite solutions. Algebraically, we can also determine the system if the ratio of coefficients of x is equal to the ratio of coefficients of y and it is also equal to the ratio of constants. It represents a coincide system. Algebraically, we could explain in this way: a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2.